Introduction. Welcome to our educational journey into waste management. From its inception to final disposal, waste management is a critical aspect of creating sustainable and livable cities. Today, we'll delve into the importance of waste management, its various practices, and the different types of dust bins used in the process. Importance of waste management. Proper waste management is essential for maintaining hygiene and preventing health issues. Organizations can contribute by implementing practices like efficient waste collection, regular cleaning, and embracing greener cleaning methods. Types of dustbins. Let's explore the three main types of dustbins: the green bin for biodegradable waste, the blue bin for recyclables, and the black bin for hazardous waste. Understanding these categories is crucial for effective waste segregation and management. Methods of waste disposal. We'll discuss common waste disposal methods, including landfills, incineration, recovery and recycling, plasma gasification, and composting. Each method has its advantages and challenges, impacting the environment and resource conservation. Liquid waste management. Liquid waste, comprising 71% of the Earth's surface, poses unique challenges. We'll explore the three stages of sewage water treatment: primary, secondary, and tertiary, highlighting the importance of proper management to safeguard our water resources. Impact on the economy. Waste management costs, waste prevention, recycling, and recovery all play crucial roles in the economy. By minimizing residual waste, we can reduce economic costs and shift towards a more sustainable approach to waste as a valuable resource. Waste management market in India. India faces significant waste management challenges, with urban areas generating 62 million tons of municipal solid waste annually. We'll discuss the waste management market in India, including policies and the need for sustainable waste management practices. Challenges in waste management. The challenges in waste management in India are rooted in waste generation, economic development, and legislation. The increasing urban population exacerbates these challenges, requiring innovative solutions and a shift in mindset. Recycle couple, Jodhpur. Meet the inspiring couple from Jodhpur who turned waste into wonders. By recycling materials into unique products, they've not only contributed to waste reduction, but also created a sustainable